Now this video time for word problem. This is not easy question. You need to read the word problem from the question, convert that become to algebraic, and then solve that equation. Example, you got the sum of x and 5 is 12. The sum of x and 5 is mean x plus 5 equal to 12, and then solve it algebraically. This means minus 5 in left, minus 5 in right, and then you got x equal to 7. That is question A. Question B, the product of 2 and y is 10. The product of 2 is mean 2 multiplied with y equal to 10. And then divide by 2. Here is y, and 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Yeah. Question C, B is double, then 6 is added, the result is 44. B is double is mean 2 multiply B, and then add 6, and then result is 44. Result is 44, 2 times B plus 6 equal to 44. Minus 6 first, and then you got 2 times B. The right hand side will be 38, and then divide by 2 for make standalone of B. B here 36 divided by 2, you got 19. Yeah, that is number C. The next one is D. D is subtracted from K. Subtracted from K is mean K minus 7. The result is trouble, giving 18. The result is mean all of the expression have to be inside the bracket, and then multiply 3. Triple, multiply 3. So the first step, you need to divide by 3. And after divide by 3, K minus 7 equal to 6. And then plus 7 here, plus 7 here. This is K and this is 13. K and 13. Okay. Question E. 3 is add to 1/4 of B. Wow, this is little difficult. 3 is added to 1/4 of B is mean 1/4 times B, giving the result of 6. So minus 3 here, the left hand side and the right hand side, you have this one. And after this one, you got 1/4. You need to convert B standalone. We need to apply multiply 4. After multiply 4, you got B. And multiply 4 for here, you got 12. Yeah, that's it. We finished question E. About question F, 10 is subtracted from half of K. Half of K, 1/2K. 10 is subtracted from this one. The result will be 1. You got this equation. And plus 10, of course, after you have equation, the solving is quite easy. 1/2K equal to 11. And 1/2 multiply 2 left, multiply 2 right, and then you got 22. Yeah, we finished question F. That is the way how can you convert from the word become to the equation and then solve it. Question 12, another word problem question. Danny get paid $12 per hour plus a bonus of $50 for each week. One week he earned this one. Write out the equation, describe this using n for the number of hour work. Okay, so for 1 hour, he will be paid $12. So when he work n hours, you got 12 multiply n. And then plus a bonus $50 each week. So 12 multiply n plus $50. After that, you got 410, and then you got minus 50. This is equal to minus 50. 12 times n equal to 360. Divide by 12, so n equal to 30. N equal to 30. Okay, we finish this one. This is a way how can you solve your working out of solving this equation. Question 12 is quite easy, right? The next one is question 13. Ginny buy 12 pencils and 5 pens for the new school year. The pencil costs $1. If the pen costs H here, write out the expression of the total cost. Okay, 12 pencil. One pencil costs $1. Yeah, 12 multiply 1. How about pen? Pens, you got 5 pens and the pens cost H for $H for H. Yeah, 5 multiply H, and this is present for the total cost. Question B. The total cost equal to this one. Write out the equation. Okay, 12 times 1 plus 5 times H, and the value of this one will be 14.5. That is question C. Solve the equation. Question C. Solve the equation is mean 5 multiply H, 14.5. This is 12, and I need to take subtraction from left and subtraction from right. 5 times H equal to 2.5. Okay, divide by 5. This is divide by 5. Here is H and 0.5 now. Yeah, this is 0.5. Check your solution by substitution your value H into this one. Okay, about question D. Check your solution, substitute value H into. Okay, you got the value of H. Value of H is 0.5. 0.55 multiply 0.5, and the solution will be 12 plus 2.5, and after that you got 14.5. Yeah, we finished this question. Question 14. Write equation and solve them algebraically to find the unknown value of each of the following diagram. Question A. You got the area of this rectangular will be 15. The way how can you calculate the area is multiply length and width. So this is equal to 15. Divide by 3. Divide by 3 for here. You got W, and then 15 divided by 3, you got 5. That is the question A. About question B, the area now is 12. Okay, 4 multiply H equal to 12. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 for left and right. Here is 8, and this one will be 3. Question C. Parameter of this rectangular is 28. Parameter is mean you take the sum of two length, width and length, and then multiply 2, and the result will be 28. So for this divide by 2 first. 10 plus 8, and divide by 2 here, you got 14. 10 plus 8 minus 10 here, and the next one is minus 10. H here, and H equal to 4. H equal to 4, that is question C. Yeah. The next one is question D. Parameter. Yeah, this side is W equal to this one, and equal to here. This is W for all of them. And the parameter is mean 4 multiply W equal to 28. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. So W equal to 7. W equal to 7. Yeah, that is a way how can you solve working out from the diagram. Thank you so much for watching this one, and see you next time. Bye bye.